The Right Honourable Boris Johnson, the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honour to participate in this virtual Global Vaccine Summit hosted by the UK government under the leadership of His Excellency Prime Minister Boris Johnson. Gavi is an inspirational partnership between a coalition of governments, international agencies and public-private actors to vaccinate against disease and death. Somalia is proud to be part of this vaccine alliance for healthier, safer and equitable societies and sustainable development for the most vulnerable on our planet. Prevention is always better than a cure, and vaccinating against preventable diseases and strengthening the health of citizens everywhere is a basic human right. Indeed, as we say in Somalia, health is wealth. More than that, it's also good politics, smart economics, and the path to a resilient, confident, and prosperous future for all. COVID-19 has truly tested the world in every which way possible. The coronavirus pandemic has taught us the importance of preparation, collaboration, and timely common actions to protect our citizens' future. I welcome and strongly support the Vaccine Alliance's focus on accelerating a vaccine for COVID-19, and I urge that this to be made available, especially for those who are vulnerable. Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance, is truly an inspirational partnership of which we must all be proud of and contribute to supporting in every way we can. I thank you.